Hi everyone, Craig from SwiftCase here to give you some quick tips to help your business. Adobe packages can be expensive, especially if you're a startup. So I've got 5 quick-fire alternatives to Adobe PhotoShop to help you get started. Number 1 is Zara Photo and Graphic Designer. This is software for detailed photo editing, creative drawing, and professional design. Zara products are only available on Windows, but you can view, edit, and update Zara documents all within the web page. You can update it using a web browser or on your phone or tablet. Additionally, using some Windows emulation software, you could potentially run it on the Mac as well. Number 2 is Affinity Photo. This is available on desktop machines as part of the Affinity trio, compatible with all major graphics tablets as well. It supports pressure sensitivity and brush stabilization, precise selections for cutting out objects, creating masks, or selectively applying adjustments that beat Photoshop. Amazing. Number 3 is an old favorite, GIMP. It's a free open source program along with Scribus and Inkscape for photo editing, retouching, basically all the sort of stuff that you'd see on Photoshop. You can even implement some automation as well. Number 4 is Photopea, which is free online in-browser image editing. You can edit PSD files, GIMP files, etc. It's essentially a Photoshop clone, well worth trying out. And finally, Clip Studio, a digital drawing program with a traditional feel with advanced digital features such as AI colorization, thousands of customizable materials and vector layers. You can convert images and 3D models to line art, which enables you to mess about with it for concept art and graphics and other designs. And that's available on Windows and Mac. So there you have it, 5 free or cheaper alternatives to Adobe Photoshop to help get you started with your design. Next time we'll be looking at some alternatives to Adobe Illustrator, another popular package in the Adobe Creative Suite. And once again, I've been Craig McCarthy, Development Manager at SwiftCase. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of the day.